Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Dodge Avenger headrest. First, locate the two small release buttons, usually found at the base of each headrest post where it enters the seat. These buttons are key to disengaging the locking mechanism. Press them firmly, often one at a time, while gently pulling the headrest upwards. Once both posts are released, the headrest should slide freely out of its mounting holes. This process is straightforward for both front and rear seats. For the front headrests, you'll typically find a button on one of the plastic collars at the base of the headrest post. Press this button while simultaneously pulling the headrest up. Some models may have a second, often hidden, release on the other post that requires a small tool like an Allen wrench or screwdriver to depress. Once both are disengaged, the headrest will come out. Removing rear headrests often requires folding down the seatbacks for better access. Look for release tabs or buttons near where the headrest posts enter the seat. On some Dodge Avenger models, you might need to press a visible button on one post and use a small tool to depress a hidden release on the other. Once released, pull the headrest straight up and out. When reinstalling, align the headrest posts with the guide holes in the seat. Push the headrest down firmly until you hear it click into place, indicating it's securely locked. Always ensure the headrest is adjusted to the proper height for safety, providing adequate head and neck support. If your headrests have active restraint systems, ensure any wiring is reconnected if it was detached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.